Once qualifying is completed with the Outlaw Street, we'll be able to determine who the Elite Eight are. And we'll go from there. Benny Out goes at 808.6, 165. Sam Harper goes 901.9, 151 on the speed. Two good times there from the pair. Mills coming to left lane, the beautiful looking 67 Barracuda, right lane Frank Saponaro in the 67 Wagon Nova Carwego. A little up north. Mike Mills out of Jarrettsville, Maryland. With 183 in the Nova. Mike Mills, 943 with a 0146 and the Barracuda. All right, so let's just go. Anybody racing for the East Coast Pro Street, just come on down to 5 and 6. Anybody racing for the East Coast Pro Street Nationals, come on down lanes 5 and 6. Again, Pro Street, East Coast Pro Street Nationals. Anybody racing, come on down to 5 and 6. Leaderboard here, 765 with 5 at 180. Not quite sure what's going on with the Camaro. There we go. Now the Camaro's rolling forward. So we got Pete Decker, left lane 1970 Camaro, right lane Rick House in his 69 below Camaro. Just hear that thing. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Newport News, Virginia. So we're going to have to get that one checked. That's 1166, but might as well just shut off the pickup down here. So one of the things we always ask, does it seem right, smell right, look right, feel right, or then, as I've been told, taste right? Get it pull off the side as quickly and as safely as you possibly can. This way we can, one, make sure you're okay and assist you if we need to, and two, you don't put a down the right. 57 Chevy pickup. This thing is just gorgeous, just to look at. I don't want one, not even gonna lie. See that double action curve? God, this thing is beautiful. And we still got a good amount of cars that have not made their first hit yet, so we need to get up to 5 and 6 ASAP. And here we got about a little more than 10. So you need to get up here. With a 5, 152 miles an hour. That was 57 Chevy pickup. So again, if you're in Outlaw Street, 999 and quicker for that class, you need to get on up here. Because this way, we can see if you will qualify to be part of the Elite 8. Once you guys finish qualifying, we'll see who the 8 fastest cars are. And that will determine to be the Elite 8. Next car coming up here will be Solo in the left lane. 370 Nova. Let's see what they're calling. The 2010 Camaro. Sean Hall making the hit here. Bill there with a beautiful smoky burnout, burning down the way. Where's the car? There's the car. Beautiful smoky burnout of the East Northport, New York. Driver Clint Hunter. Bottom wheel to 56 Chevy Bel Air. This is something that deserves to be on a poster. 82 and a 1956 Chevy Bel Air out of New York. I'm seeing some thumbs up from a couple guys down there going, yeah, I like that. That's the stuff I like. Clint Hunter goes, never feel it. Another pair of UVs coming up. Scott Mueller, rightly, Northport, New York, the 34 thing, while playing Harold Caring in the 84 Camaro. Carrying 995 with a 2, 138. Left lane solo come up. Let's see what the hit looks like here. Sounds like clicked it off really top of the ring. Now out of the Bel Air here in the right lane.
I don't know if you look at the back window what it says. It says something East Northport Burnout Club. Actually, I think that's exactly what it says. Well, how did he just prove it to us, huh? Oh, he did it on his burnout? Yeah, look at that. So who else is coming to join the East Northport Burnout Club? Yeah, come on up here.